Welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. Today we will discuss an important issue in Thai society, defamation cases, which are a recurring problem. Defamation cases are widely litigated due to their sensitive and complex nature. Those accused may feel they have suffered harm from the words or actions of others, raising questions about the ways to defend oneself in defamation cases and what methods can be used for self-protection. Approaches to defending against defamation cases. Proving harm. The plaintiff must prove that they have actually suffered harm from the actions alleged to be defamatory. If there is no harm or if the plaintiff contributed to the wrongdoing, the case may not proceed. Non-identification. If the statement in question does not explicitly name or refer to a specific individual, the recipient may need to interpret who is being referred to. If the recipient can immediately recognize who is meant, the action may be considered defamatory. Use of offensive language. Offensive language may not be considered defamation if it does not imply any factual accusations, such as claiming someone is a ghost or another impossible scenario. Using vulgar language might be seen more as personal insults rather than defamation. Behavior of the recipient. It is important to consider whether the statements can lead the recipient to disrespect or harbor hatred towards the person mentioned. Generally, this is assessed from a reasonable person's perspective to determine the severity of the statements. Lack of intent. Intent is crucial in defamation cases. If the speaker had no intent to defame, such as when answering questions in court, their actions may not be considered defamatory. Summary defending against defamation cases involves various interesting and complex issues. Those facing such challenges should understand these principles to protect themselves. If there are specific questions or concerns, it is advisable to consult a qualified attorney for appropriate legal guidance. Thank you for following today's episode. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out through our channels, and don't forget to keep following our podcast.